pew, pew.
Mom, I am worried I will scare the little babies. I just want to be friends and to play tag. I will be the best uncle.
What did you just say?
Hi, babies. Are you sleeping? Oh, it's sweet that I wake you.
Archie, what are you doing?
Then take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Kapta.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody just calm!
Don't touch me. 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 Get away. Get away. Get
You were so cute. Are you gonna fall asleep standing up? That's okay, I do that sometimes.
Reason you should consider being a cat. Free food. Free rent. Look great with no effort. Sleep as long as you want to.
Zoe, what are you doing? Are you trying to get in your treats again? All day you've been sneaking in there. You too.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Look at these little kittens all snuggled together. We have Ruffles and Pringle and Dorito. Dorito is wearing a little bit of lip liner. Look at his perfect little lip liner in his bottom lip there. That's so cute.
Wait, baby.
Yeah, see, I told you guys she loved this thing. She's getting pissed at her dad for trying to take it off.
Yeah. You got both? How'd you get both arms in?
Because she loves this thing.
Oh my goodness, you silly little baka, go to sleep. Can't believe you just woke me up. It's freaking like 5 a.m. What are you doing, man? Oh my goodness. Go to sleep, you little baka bean. You little silly baka.
Oh, so you just gonna lay on my bed with your legs open like you pay bills around here, sir? You don't pay no bills. When you start paying bills, then you can take a nap in the middle of the day. It's a pandemic, Jimmy.
You know me. No, I don't!
What?
I am under siege. What? What are you doing down here? Oh, Panda, not the face! Yeah. They have attacked.
Walter. Would you like to go for a walk? Okay, you want to go?
Character that, frankly, pregnant. And if he's gonna make the king much less inclined to hear this guy out, he's not wearing pants. It's unnecessary.
Tell me your pet was born in 2020 without telling me. I'll go first. This is his favorite toy.
Kapta.
Does anyone else do random sound effects when playing with your cat?
Did you have fun tonight? No? Okay.
Mackenzie. It's time to get up. It's 10 o'clock. You can't just stay in bed and growl all day.